Hi viewers, I am Monica and today I'm going to tell you about how to create a pattern or puffer jacket. Creating a padded jacket involves intricate stitching processes that ensure both durability and comfort. Here's an overview of the meticulous steps involved in crafting these cozy winter essentials. Quilting patterns. Cutting layering. Stitching the layers. Binding seams. Adding zippers and fastenings. Quality checks. Final touches. Quilting patterns. Designing the quilted pattern is the first step. This pattern determines the placement of the padding material and stitching lines, crucial for insulation and aesthetic appeal. Cutting and layering. Multiple layers of fabric and insulation, such as down or synthetic filling, are precisely cut according to the pattern. These layers are then carefully stacked together, ensuring alignment for accurate stitching. Stitching the layers. The layers are secured using specialized sewing machines equipped with quilting attachments or walking feet. Stitching lines are meticulously sewn through all layers, holding them in place and preventing the filling from shifting. Binding seams. Seams are often reinforced with binding or taped edges to enhance durability and prevent fraying, ensuring longevity. Adding details. Components like zippers, pockets, cuffs, and hoods are added at this stage. Each element is carefully attached, requiring attention to detail for functionality and aesthetic appeal. Quality checks. Quality checks are conducted throughout the process to ensure that stitching integrity, fabric quality, and construction meet the desired standards. This step helps maintain consistency and high-quality output. Final touches. Once the stitching processes are complete, final touches such as trimming loose threads and pressing the garment for a polished finish are done. Each step in the stitching process demands expertise and attention to detail to produce padded jackets that not only provide warmth and comfort, but also boast exceptional durability and style. I hope now you know how to make puffer jackets. For more videos about casual and sportswear manufacturing processes, please subscribe our channel. Like, comment, and share this video. Thanks for watching.